Yo, it's Dolphin, and I'm going to teach you how to draw a parabola. So first thing is to find the y-intercept. To find this, you have to make x equal to 0. Next, you find the x-intercept, and to find this, you have to make y equals 0. Just note that you got to know quadratics for this. Now the axis of symmetry. Using the formula minus b over 2a and subbing in your points from the question, you can find the axis of symmetry. The vertex is the turning point for your parabola, and you have to find it by subbing in the axis of symmetry into the question's formula. Let's do an example. So here we have an example, x squared plus 2x minus 8. By making x 0, we can find the y-intercept by algebra, which is minus 8. Next we have to find the x-intercept. There's going to be 2 of them because a normal parabola goes to 2 points. For this we have to make y equal to 0 and do quadratics to find the intercepts of minus 4 and 2. Like mentioned before, for axis of symmetry we sub in points from the question to the formula. You can see I put arrows showing where A and B are. Finally, the vertices, we use the axis of symmetry and sub it in back to the question by replacing the x's with the axis of symmetry. Let's draw the parabola now. As you can see, we have our information in our graph. The tissue there is just for wiping the board, so don't worry, it's not dirty. Next, you can see a piece of my hand and our points have been plotted on the graph. Now listen, because this is the important part. The parabola goes through one of our x-axes and keeps on going down until the axis of symmetry and vertex, where it changes direction and goes up towards and through the other x-axis. As you see, my parabola is not perfect.